Are you a personal trainer looking for a way to better manage your clients, create personalized programs, and grow your business? Well, it's time to introduce PT Distinction. The PT Distinction is an all in one personal trainer software that empowers you to coach clients in your own unique way. With advanced tools for program design, nutrition coaching, habit tracking, and more, it's everything you need to succeed. So imagine creating custom training program in seconds, automating routine tasks, and delivering exceptional results for your clients, all while saving time and growing your revenue. PT Distinction makes it all possible. In this video, we'll explore how PT Distinction can transform your personal training business. We'll dive into its key features like custom branded apps, program creation tools, nutrition tracking, and automation workflows. Let's get started. So, if you're interested, you can head over to their website first, which is ptdistinction.com. And then from in there, you can see these particular things. As you can see, they have a lot of reviews with excellent comments. So, from in there, let's try to use this by clicking on this 1 month free trial. Once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see the free trial webpage wherein you can just input right here your details, accept their terms and condition, answer the captcha, and click onto this start. So you may need to input your actual card details in order to subscribe, but once you're done, it will actually give you a month free trial in order to actually use this. So I have already subscribed, and this is what the introduction or introductory dashboard looks like. So as you can see, it welcomes us. Let's click on this, let's go. And then it will first ask you which kind of personal trainer are you? Are you a personal trainer, a strength coach, nutrition coach, fat loss, or other options? So for example, for this one, let's choose in here this fat loss coach and click on next. And then once we have done that, it should be able to redirect us to the next question. After that, you can see in here your panel. So we already have in here some pre-added client activities and data. We have in here this person, which is just an example. We have in here Sarah example. And we already see that there have been some activity on food diary, habits, programs, as well as progress photos, as well as forms and questionnaire. So we have in here the task completion for this particular client, and we have in here this program help. First things first, let's head over right here into your dashboard, and you should be able to see something. Now, what's good with PT Distinction is that it will also see or show in here some highest completion options. So if you have a lot of clients, you can see which leads right here the actual run front. For this first, let's add some clients. Let's click onto this add option right here. Let's input right here their name. For example, let's input Harry. And then you can also input their email as well as a date of birth, their gender, as well as some notes for them. You can also toggle inactive client and you can also enable two-way messaging. So you can use your time zone and you can actually add them to groups depending on your liking. For this one, I'll just input right here some details for this one. Now, once you have saved that, it will also ask you if you will send the login details to their email. For this one, let's send the login details for them and click on send, and they should be able to sign up or log in into their actual PT Distinction account. So, alternatively, you can also head over and then see their client's dashboard. So, let's click on OK right here and let's see their actual dashboard. So for this client, you can see their activities if they have any, or you can also add some more activities. For this one, let's click onto this add option in order to add an activity for them. So for example, let's add in here some programs, and you can copy from library or add a new program. For example, let's put in here dumbbell circuit and click on next, and then just save that program name. And then as you can see, this program is ready. So you can edit or add those schedule reminders. So for this one, let's click onto this add to schedule and then let's send them to them at around weekly so they will never forget to do this particular program. Click on save and this should be able to be added to their itinerary for the week. So as you can see, I've already instantly added a program to this particular person. Now let's head over again into their activity and you can see in here their actual task completion. So when this particular person completes a task or activity, it will appear right here. Since I have just added this particular item, they will have some time to actually do this and it will reflect right here into this pie chart. Now onto this schedule, you can see what their schedule looks like. So we have in here a schedule for Saturday. So you can also move that and then add it into another day or add some more schedules for them. So for example, you can add some things like for example habits and you can easily track those habits as well. So for example, let's put in here meditation. After that, click on save habit and then it will be added as well into your schedule if you would want. So let's do this daily at around 8 a.m. And then after that, you can also input right here the end number for this one if you would like. So let's make it end at around a year. Let's choose 365 and click on save. Now this particular habit will be added into their actual to-do list. So it will also be reflected into their calendar. So as you can see for this week, we have in here the meditation, but for the next week, we also have it on the meditation right here. So under the tools, you can see in here that they have some tools like adherence. So you can see the clients that already follow Gold Diet. So you can enable that. We also have in here the food diary, wherein you can monitor your client nutrition with simple text and image diary entries. You can click on this view right here in order to see their actual inputs onto their actual food diary. So since this client has just been added, they do not have anything yet, but you can add it to them manually as well. Now, we also have in here calorie counter. So this is actually beneficial for them since they can track every macro, count calories, and create dishes with their enormous food database. So let's enable that to them as well. Let's also enable progress photos as well as integration for MyFitnessPal, Fitbit, and MyZone. So for this one, you can also add other tools that they have available right here. And then in here, we also have communications. So you can click onto this add option right here, and then you can add some communications option. Then you can send them an in-app message as well as email or SMS in order to remind them to their daily goals. So as you can see, there's a lot of things that you can do with PT Distinction. So this is just one client. So what will happen if there's more? Then you should be able to change a lot more lives. So if you're ready to transform your personal training business, just start your free trial onto their website, which is ptdistinction.com. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your network. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on personal trainer software solutions. So, what challenges are you facing in managing your clients effectively? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.